So I use www.kroger.com. The website is easy to navigate. They break everything down into sections. As you can tell, they have more ways to save, start my cart, ways to shop, my sale items, and shop by department, which is one of my favorites. As far as the craft aspect goes, the colors, the bold type, and size were used to distinguish parts of text, as you can tell while I'm going through. The same bigger font at the top of each section was used to show the titles. Everything is neatly aligned under the section that it belongs to, and as you can tell, every ad has a picture, headline, and text. The website also has excellent font size that make it easy to read. The pairing was nice. Also, as you can tell, they have the item name, and then they have the sizes underneath. This site uses a neutral background, so any colors that were used was able to easily be seen and contrast well with the neutral background. As you can tell, they use purple headlines for feature items or buy 5, save 5 items. They also use yellow highlighted boxes for items that are currently on sale. So, for instance, the Kool-Aid on the go, instead of it being $1.39, is currently $1. Navigation is easy on this site, as you can tell. If I go up, they have drop down boxes underneath the categories. But if you do click on an item, it will not create a new page. So you will have to use the back button or right click to create a new page. But overall, the layout is simple on this website, it's consistent, and it's very easy to follow.